Happy and a blessed Sunday, everyone. Today it is June 9, 2024, and this is around 7:40 a.m. May as you can hear, merong misa ngayon sa tapat ng bahay namin kasi nasa tapat lang kami ng chapel. And this is our original view. Ayan. And again, happy Sunday. A blessed Sunday to everyone. Take care and enjoy your day. Bye. Favorite version of dinding. Sarap. Good. Sarap-sarap. Thank you, Mama E. Sarap. Luna. Nana po. No. Sarap talaga. Thank you, Davia, for today's video. This is si Papa BJ. Good morning. Good morning, Pakita and Luna. Hello, pretty little girls. Hello, pretty little girls. The mothers. The mothers. What? What do you want? What do you want? What do you want? Good morning.
Binata na sila ngayon. Pero tila walang pinagbago ang kanilang kabuhayan at kalagayan. Hanggang ngayon, nagbubuhat at nagpapaanog pa rin ng kalakal si Ligawon.
Good morning. Happy Tuesday. And it's still June 11, 2024. It's just around almost 10:30 a.m. I think. Yan, dito tayo sa original view ng bahay. Yan. So, nakatulog naman tayo ng almost roughly 5 hours kasi nagising ako around 9 a.m. So, 4 a.m. tayo natulog. And that's good. Okay na yon. Okay na tulog na yon. Ayoko lang talagang gumigising ng tanghali. Kumaga, 8 a.m. onwards. For me, that's already tanghali na or late na yun. I just don't like the feeling. Ang pangit ng pakiramdam. Anyways, yun lang. Happy Tuesday! Take care! Be kind! And we have a Bicol Express for today's video. Nagluto si Papa James. Ang sarap-sarap. Nabawasan na yan. Kumain na kami. Napakalinamnam. Ang sarap-sarap. Sige. Kulitin natin siya na i-share kung paano niya niluto ang kanyang Bicol Express. Have a great day! Magandang tanghali, literal tanghali na. It's around past 1 p.m. And today it is June 12, 2024. Happy Independence Day! Yeah, tanghali na tayo nagising. Alas 11 na. Kanina kaya ang inulam ay tuyo at itlog. Look, let's kain. Miss na saging from Mama E. Thank you. Alam niya kasing favorite namin yung yung hinog na hinog. Yung tapos yung parang lamog na siya. Ito hindi pa nga may masyadong lamog eh. Pero malambot siya. Tapos nakain na namin kasi yung medyo lamog. Pero sarap. Sarap. Good day. Today it is June 14, 2024. Happy Friday. Hindi tayo nakapag-vlog yesterday dahil masama ang pakiramdam ko. Today, much better, but I wasn't able to do my morning routine. Kaya ito na muna mga mingming ang i-feature natin. Nasanay sa AC. Have a great day. Good morning! It's around almost 7 a.m. and dito tayo sa Marilaki Highway, and look at the sea of clouds. And today it is June 15, 2024. Happy Saturday! Magandang umaga! Ang ganda ng view! Iba na naman ang view natin for today's video. Look at that! Ang ganda-ganda! Ano to? It's a prank. Akala mo patag-patag lang, no? Ano dito? Makunat ahunin.